Hi, everyone. This is Stephen Edwards. I am your AI business guy, and today we're going to try something completely different. This is kind of a pop-up webinar. I've been thinking I'm learning AI on a daily basis, and I'm learning something new. And I thought, what the heck? As I'm learning it, why not I just try to teach other people what I'm learning as I go? So today I'm going to be teaching from a product that I have called the AI MBA. Specifically, I'm going to be working on strategy and a specific section within the strategy, the AI MBA. That'll become more clear shortly. I'll kind of take you through what I'm going to be going through. But I do have a guest that my right-hand man who's going to join me in this session, Michael Copeland. He partners with me on many items, and glad to have him. Come up on stage, Michael.
Well, hello. It's me, Michael Copeland, with Stormio AI. Stormio AI is, I call it your business operating system of systems. AI is one small part of it, but it's basically the system that will operate your life and your business, make you more efficient.
Absolutely. I use Michael's products, and we've talked, and we're going to be, I think we're in talks that we're going to be creating a lot of AI tools in the future through his platform. So that's exciting discussion. Just to keep aware, this is not going to be a very polished. We're just going to wing it. We'll just see how it goes. But hopefully, we're going to learn something. And if you're out there watching, if you want to join us, feel free to join us. If you're watching a replay, we're going to be using a specific prompt. But if you want that prompt and you want to be able to try it on your large language model of your choice, I use a ChatGPT, but it works on pretty much anything. Just comment AI MBA and I will get that prompt to you. All right, you ready to go, Michael?
I'm ready. So I have the prompt. You already gave me the prompt, so I'm gonna basically copy and paste this into my ChatGPT. I'm excited because I'm actually launching a new brand specifically for food trucks, and we're gonna see how this goes. Like I'm excited because I need to do this work. So I'm excited that there's pretty much something already made to do it. So I have it in my ChatGPT, and I put this in 4.0, right?
Yeah, to work on 4.0, we're not going to go into deep reasoning on this one. We'll just see what 4.0 will give us. It would be interesting for today. For the reasoning models will take longer to produce and go a bit deeper. So it might be interesting after we do this the first time, kind of offline. You might want to do it again using one of the other models and see how they might differ.
Yeah. I was using 4.0 Mini earlier to schedule tasks, so I was trying that out. So anyway, I'm excited. I have it ready. I'm gonna paste it into my chat, and let's see how it goes.
Let me show you, Michael, and show the audience as well. This is a product that we offer. Just to let you know, I work for a company called Simple Academy. I'm one of about 125 independent consultants working through them. And we've come together to kind of mastermind AI in the workplace. So these are some tools that I have personally at my disposal, but there are also tools that in some cases we give away. And in some cases, these are products that are part of our product line. This particular path that we're going through today is part of our product line. It's called the AI MBA. And what it entails is these main categories: strategy, product and innovation, marketing, sales, operations, HR and people, and finance and admin. If you go into any of these sections, the idea is behind this, when this is totally built out, and we're about 90% there now, when this is totally built out, there'll be roughly 3,600 different prompts around these categories. And we think that you will have the equivalent of a MBA program, at least the knowledge piece of it, if you were to do all these. And if you want to get certified as an AI MBA specialist, you need to have completed 50 of these prompt sessions. So this is a product. If anybody has any wants information on this product line and how much it costs, again, just type a comment AI MBA. I'll be glad to get back with you. Today we're going to go through the strategy path. So we're going to click on strategy, and you can see here got a lot of different themes here under strategy. It's quite an exhaustive list.
Man, that's awesome.
Yeah, any of these things that you're seeing in gray now, it hasn't totally been built out, but anything that's already in black, we've already built that piece out. Today, we're going specifically into the category of plan to win. So we're going to go into plan to win. If we open that up, now we get 9 additional categories.
Man.
So that's how we build up to 3,600. So within this category, today we're going to be using competitive landscape mapping sprint. So here's how this works. We're just going to click, I'm going to click use workflow, and I am going to copy this prompt. So now it is on my clipboard, and I'm actually going to go, you can use, feel free to use Gemini, whatever your favorite tool is. Feel free to use that. It should work just fine. My favorite tool is ChatGPT. I didn't realize I wasn't sharing. So I'm in ChatGPT now. I'm just going to paste that prompt here. And again, this is my first time going through it. So we'll just see what happens. All right, here we go.
Yeah, let me look at mine. Okay.
Actually, I've got I use a product that reads everything to me. I'm going to try to just turn that off for now.
Oh, that's cool. So you don't even have to read; you could just listen.
Yeah, and ChatGPT has a read option
Oh,
in
interesting.
here.
Yeah, I never used it before.
I use it all the time, but they took it away. Like it disappeared last week, and that's when I started using this. What is it called? Speechify. Speechify is the product that I'm using here. Okay, well, let's go through it one. Let's listen to it one time. We'll turn it off afterwards, but let's just listen to it one time, okay?
See, I don't hear anything.
Okay, I need to share my.
Yeah, you might have to share the audio from the browser.
Yeah. Okay.
And I know that you just got a new computer, so you probably have to set up all these permissions and everything like that.
So let's don't even worry about it. Okay. You can see it here, right, though?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So here's what, and you're watching on yours. So
yeah, so I have it on my chat as well.
Okay. I'm going to just read the first paragraph. Hello, I'm your plan to win strategy expert, here to guide you through a rapid yet rigorous competitive landscape mapping sprint. By the end of this session, we'll have a clear visual and strategic picture of your market, spotlighting white space opportunities, competitive threats, and where you should play to win. Okay, very cool. The 5-step competitive mapping. Here's what we're going to cover today: competitor inventory, profile key competitors, positioning map, white space and threat analysis, and a final deliverable. Would you like a quick review of best practices before we jump into this? I usually say yes to that. I'm not familiar with this one, so it would be a good idea if I
guess so. I'm going to say yes.
Yeah, I'm going to say yes to this as well. Okay. See what we got here.
Because when it comes down to it, like I'm building out this one offer to food trucks, basically using certain aspects of Stormio AI, but specifically for food trucks. But I have not done the competitor research at all. So, I mean, I pulled up some of the competitors. I'm like, yeah, I'm going to be way better than what they offer. But still, some of the sites looked great. Some of them are are generic to all food services and that sort of thing. So I haven't done an actual competitor analysis. So
Got it. Got it. All right. So on my side, it says competitor mapping best practice. Think beyond direct competitors. Segment the intention. Focus on strategic dimensions. Be honest but not defensive. Look for signals, not just facts. So now it's got to the point that it's asking for information.
interesting. So mine says mine is different,
Okay.
but
What's your
I'm guessing the reason why is because of the settings I have in my chat GPT versus your settings.
okay?
Because my chat GPT already knows some stuff about me because I put it in my settings. So I'm guessing that's why it says different stuff.
Yeah, yours says yours is adapting to you, and mine is trying to adapt to me.
When it comes down to it, it's a chat with an AI, the way I like to chat with AI, and
Uh-huh.
yours is the way you like to chat with it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
so
So
that's interesting that everyone's going to have their own unique version of this,
uh-huh.
especially as soon as you. So, for example, I answered YEA, which is more casual than yes, right?
Mhm.
So maybe just that one little thing kind of changed it. But anyway, yeah, let's keep going.
Okay, so Michael, here's what I'm going to do, and you may do something different. What is it on my side is asking me to consider my direct competitors, my indirect competitors, my emerging competitors, and is asking me to feel free to list names, descriptions, or even just categories, and I'll help organize. What I typically do, I've done a number of things, taken a number of assessment. I've had conversations with AI, and for those who are seeing me for the first time, my AI mentor is Pam. I call her Pam. So I've had many conversations with Pam, and I have collected that information. She's remembered a lot, but sometimes I collect information just so that she remembers everything. So I'm going on my side. I'm going to feed her some information, and therefore she's able to help me maybe fill in some of the blanks. I don't know if you've got anything like that. You don't have to do that, Michael, but that's what I'm going to do here. Okay.
I know that you do that, and I think it's a good way, and I should probably create something like that myself.
Yeah, and I've recently fine tuned. I don't, Michael. I know that you know that I use a product called Notebook LM, which is a Google AI product, and so I have been using Notebook LM to help me refine uh, myself essentially, and using the output of that to help feed some of these Google or AI conversations I'm having with Pam. So let's see what happens here.
Yeah, the way you use Notebook LM is pretty amazing. I need to learn how to